Hi everyone. In this session, we're going to look a bit more closely at the regulatory framework in regards to the European Union and some of the compliance that we need to consider when we're operating within the EU. So the EU AI Act is a brand new regulation or fairly recent regulation, and it's the world's first comprehensive AI law. It applies to any organisation placing AI on the EU market or using AI outputs in the EU. So these are some of the things that leaders must know about this AI Act. So you need a risk-based approach. So AI systems classified by risk level. So there are basically 4 different levels, and we'll go through them later on. So they're unacceptable risk, a high risk, a limited risk, and a minimal risk. So they're the 4 classifications of the risk-based approach that the AI Act uses. The extraterritorial scope. This applies to organisations that are outside the EU if AI outputs are used within the EU. There are significant penalties if you breach the AI Act, so it's up to 35 million or 7% of global turnover for any violations. Different requirements apply at different dates through until 2027, so it's kind of a phased implementation. That's the approach that the EU are taking. So there's non-compliance risk. Like I say, penalties can reach 35 million euro or 7% of global annual turnover, whichever is higher. So quite significant penalties if you breach the AI Act. So that's why we need to be careful when we're using these generative AI tools within any organisation. We need to be aware of the rules and the regulations around using these tools.